Imagine waking up one morning, stepping outside and looking up to see something incredible. The air is crisp, the world is quiet, and the sky is painted with the first light of dawn. As you take a deep breath, you notice something unusual, something that takes your breath away. Across the sky, a giant luminous band stretches from horizon to horizon. It's unlike anything you've ever seen before, a celestial phenomenon that defies explanation. The band glows with an ethereal light, casting a gentle glow over the landscape. This isn't the Milky Way, a familiar sight on clear nights. No, this is something entirely different, something that has never graced our skies before. The Milky Way, with its billions of stars, seems almost mundane in comparison. It's something new, something permanent, something awe-inspiring. Earth has rings. Imagine our planet adorned with rings like Saturn, a feature that would forever change the way we view our world. These rings, composed of ice and rock, would instantly become the most dominant feature of our sky. Each particle, each fragment, contributing to a magnificent structure that encircles our planet. Sunlight would glint off their countless particles, creating a spectacle visible day and night. The rings would shimmer and sparkle, a constant reminder of the beauty and mystery of the universe. The ring's shadow, a dark band across the planet, would shift with the seasons, adding a new dimension to Earth's celestial dance. This shadow would move and change, a dynamic feature that would influence our environment in ways we can only begin to imagine. The sight would be mesmerizing. Every glance at the sky would be a reminder of the wonders of our universe, a source of inspiration and awe for generations to come. Imagine the stories our ancestors would have told about the rings, myths, and legends passed down through generations. These rings would have been woven into the fabric of our cultures, a symbol of the connection between Earth and the cosmos. Now, imagine the excitement of scientists, eager to unlock the secrets of this celestial phenomenon. The rings would be a source of endless curiosity and study, a new frontier for exploration and discovery. The possibilities are as vast as the universe itself. The appearance of the rings would change dramatically depending on your location on Earth. This celestial phenomenon would offer a unique perspective from every corner of the globe, making each vantage point a special experience. At the equator, the rings would appear as a thin, bright line directly overhead, splitting the sky in two. This bright line would be a constant companion, visible day and night, creating a sense of wonder and awe for those living along the equatorial belt. As you traveled north or south, the rings would begin to tilt, becoming more prominent in the sky. In mid-latitude regions, the rings would create a striking diagonal across the heavens, a beautiful reminder of the planet's curvature and our place within the cosmos. From the poles, the rings would be truly spectacular, forming a giant, luminous arch stretching across the entire horizon. This arch would dominate the polar skies, creating a breathtaking natural wonder that would draw visitors from around the world. Imagine the aurora borealis dancing alongside the ethereal glow of the rings, a breathtaking spectacle of light and color. The interplay between the northern lights and the rings would create a mesmerizing display, a celestial ballet that would captivate all who witnessed it. Different cultures would develop unique perspectives on the rings, weaving them into their art, mythology, and everyday life. The rings would inspire countless stories, paintings, and traditions, becoming an integral part of the cultural fabric of societies around the world. The rings would become a global landmark, a unifying feature connecting people across continents and oceans. They would serve as a constant reminder of our shared humanity and the beauty of our planet, fostering a sense of global unity and wonder. The presence of rings wouldn't just be a visual treat. It would have profound scientific implications affecting Earth's gravity, light levels, and even its climate. The ring's gravitational pull, though slight, would be noticeable. Tides would be affected, and the length of our day might even be altered. The rings would also reflect sunlight back into space, potentially cooling the planet. This could have significant impacts on weather patterns and ecosystems. Scientists would spend years studying these effects, unraveling the complex interplay between Earth and its dazzling new accessory. Imagine the research projects, the scientific breakthroughs, the new understanding of our planet that would emerge from this celestial gift. Life on Earth would adapt to this celestial change in fascinating ways. Animals might use the rings for navigation, much like they use the stars and the moon today. Plants might evolve to utilize the reflected light from the rings for photosynthesis. Our cities would be illuminated by the ring's soft glow, reducing our reliance on artificial light. Architects would design buildings to incorporate the rings into their aesthetics, creating structures that blend seamlessly with the celestial landscape. The rings would become an integral part of our daily lives, a constant reminder of the vastness and wonder of the universe we inhabit. Section 5, Saturn's Majesty, a celestial comparison. To truly appreciate the grandeur of Earth having rings, we can look to Saturn, the solar system's ringed wonder. Saturn's rings are an iconic symbol of space, inspiring awe and wonder for centuries. Composed primarily of ice and rock, these rings are believed to be remnants of comets, asteroids, or shattered moons, torn apart by Saturn's powerful gravity. Saturn's rings are vast, spanning hundreds of thousands of kilometers. Earth's rings, while likely smaller, would still be an awe-inspiring sight. The study of Saturn's rings has provided invaluable insights into the formation and evolution of planetary systems. Earth's rings would offer a unique opportunity to study these processes up close, potentially revealing secrets about our own planet's birth. Section 6. A universe of wonder, right above us. The existence of rings around Earth would be a constant source of inspiration and wonder. Every night we would be treated to a celestial light show, a reminder of the beauty and mystery of the universe. The rings would become a symbol of our planet's unique place in the cosmos, sparking curiosity and a thirst for knowledge about the world beyond our own. Imagine the countless works of art, music, and literature that would be inspired by the rings. The night sky would become a canvas for dreams and imagination, a source of endless fascination for generations to come. Section 7. Navigation and exploration with a celestial compass. With the rings now a permanent fixture in our sky, humanity would find innovative ways to incorporate them into everyday life. These celestial rings would not just be a beautiful spectacle, but a functional tool, influencing various aspects of our daily routines and long-term plans. Navigation would be revolutionized, as sailors, explorers, and even casual hikers could use the rings as a celestial compass, providing a constant reference point for direction. Imagine ancient mariners who once relied on the North Star, now having an even more reliable guide in the sky. The rings would serve as a universal compass, visible from any point on Earth, making navigation more intuitive and less dependent on complex instruments. Space exploration would also be impacted, as the rings would present both challenges and opportunities. Astronauts and space agencies would need to develop new strategies to navigate through or around these rings. The rings could act as both a navigational aid and a potential hazard, requiring precise calculations and innovative technology to ensure safe passage. Launching rockets through the rings would require careful planning and navigation, while the rings themselves could potentially be mined for resources, offering a new frontier for space exploration and resource management. The debris within the rings could contain valuable minerals and elements, sparking a new era of space mining and economic opportunities. This would not only boost our technological capabilities, but also provide new materials for scientific research and industrial use. The challenges and opportunities presented by the rings would undoubtedly lead to new technologies, scientific advancements, and a deeper understanding of our place in the cosmos. Scientists and researchers would be driven to explore these rings further, leading to breakthroughs in astronomy, physics, and even materials science. Educational institutions would incorporate the study of these rings into their curricula, inspiring the next generation of explorers and innovators. Section 8. The rings' influence on Earth's wildlife. The impact of the rings wouldn't be limited to humans. Animals too would adapt and evolve in response to this celestial change. Nocturnal animals might use the reflected light from the rings to hunt, while migratory birds could potentially use them as a navigational aid during their long journeys. The altered light patterns and potential climate changes brought about by the rings could lead to the evolution of new species, uniquely adapted to this new environment. The study of these adaptations would provide valuable insights into the resilience and adaptability of life on Earth. Section 9. A tapestry of science, culture, and imagination. The appearance of rings around Earth would be more than just a celestial event. It would be a cultural touchstone, a scientific marvel, and a source of endless inspiration. Our understanding of the universe and our place within it would be forever changed. From the awe-inspiring views to the scientific discoveries, from the cultural adaptations to the technological advancements, the rings would weave themselves into the very fabric of our existence. They would be a constant reminder of the beauty, wonder, and endless possibilities of the cosmos, inspiring generations to come to explore, dream, and reach for the stars.